Hey guys, my name is Cogen and in this video I'm going to share with you that you become who you surround yourself with, so stay tuned. When I look at my high school life, I was spending most of my time alone in my room playing video games. Every time I finished my classes, I didn't talk to anybody and I just ran home, so I had more time to play. I was like, I got nothing to show for. I have no accomplishments whatsoever. And I was actually way behind socially than most people in my age. And I didn't care about it in that time. I never went to high school parties. I never went out with people to do all things that you do to learn social skills when you are in high school. It is a great time to test different situations, to put yourself out there and to socialize. You learn how to make friends, how to connect with people. You try different sports. And I think it's the main value of school, to learn how to develop your social skills. Unfortunately, I realized that after I graduated from high school, I was spending my time with my grandma, and I slowly started realizing that this kind of life is killing me inside. I realized that the more time I'm spending playing video games, that's making me more antisocial and more introverted, and I didn't want that anymore. So I decided to make a change in my life. I started socializing and improving myself in that area. I knew I needed to develop social skills that I didn't develop during my high school time. In case you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out future videos. So, you need to develop social skills. The best thing you can do is to be around other people and put yourself in situations that make you uncomfortable. If you are like, I don't need that, I know how to talk to people, then you are closing yourself from improving. You are closing yourself from growing and evolving. You don't even realize that you become who you surround yourself with. Maybe you have friends and you are satisfied with them. You are feeling significant and you consider yourself the smartest. I realize that if you are the smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room. It's a good feeling to be the smartest person. But you wanna be in the room where you are the dumbest person and you feel uncomfortable because everyone else is smarter than you and because there is a place for you to grow. If you open yourself up to this and you acknowledge that you don't know everything and that you can learn, work on yourself, improve and grow, then what's gonna happen is that you start looking for more successful people than yourself. Because when you are talking to your friend and you are all comfortable and expressive and he's like, you are very smart. But then you meet someone who is more successful than you. What happens then? You go to a seminar or a mastermind group and suddenly you are quiet. You are listening much more. And you don't feel like you know it all. You feel uncomfortable, but at the same time, you are glad and you feel that inner happiness because you know you can grow from this experience a lot. So it is a good thing to be scared and confused a little bit because it moves you forward. You need to join to a group of people that will challenge you, and just being in that environment, you have to stay to a certain level. Unfortunately, lots of people do it the other way around. They surround themselves with people that are less than them in some level, so they can feel better about themselves. They feel smarter, more significant, and more important. If you want to get good at some sport, you are going to get good by playing people that are better than you. If you want to get good at dance, are you going to dance with people that are worse than you? Yes? No? Of course you are going to dominate. You are going to feel significant and good about yourself. because they are lesser level than you. Or you could dance with some professionals. It's scary. You suddenly feel uncomfortable and you can't even remember the basic moves because that person is much higher level than you. But at the same time, it is a challenge for you and it forces you to rise your game. It forces you to dance even better and really grow from that experience. Of course, you don't have to live your whole life in a difficult environment, but you need to have a group of people that are above you. I believe in life you need to have 3 groups of people. First one is the group where you are above everybody else. You are the leader and you can share your knowledge. You can teach them and help them to improve and grow. The second one is the group where all people are equal. Those might be your friends who you like to hang out with, have fun, talk about different things and socialize. And the third one is the group where you are the dumbest person. It forces you to grow and to become a better version of who you are. Sadly, most people have only first 2 groups in life, and that's the reason why they are not growing. In addition, if you start growing and working on yourself, your friends will change. You are no longer want to be friends with people who are dragging you down. You will find new people, people that encourage you, and people that will grow with you. The more you grow, if your friends are not growing with you, sometimes you can outgrow them and then they don't relate to you the same way. There is nothing wrong with that. You just have different mentality. But I think there is value in having different groups of friends too. You can have friends that have different mentality and maybe you can't talk to them about everything, but they are fun to hang out with. I have those friends too, because sometimes you just want to have a blast and really relax and forget about everything. And that's the exact moment you can hang out with these people. I think there is a lot of benefit to have different groups of friends on different things. I'm not saying you have to cut out all your friends or anything like that. What I'm saying is that you need to be conscious of finding friends that are similar to yourself or maybe even better than yourself, so you can learn and grow. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, comment below, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. Thanks for watching.